Next lesson, you'll need the Gravity Forms basic license to create the test form for this step. But to collect payments for your actual event registration, you'll need either the Pro or the Elite license, depending on your preferred payment gateway. And you can follow the link down below that will take you to a page that describes the differences between those licenses. So I'm going to start by creating a very basic registration form to demonstrate the functionality that we talked about in the intro. You can modify this form as is appropriate for your needs. So first, I've added a drop-down box to indicate ticket type. I've added options for early bird, member, regular, and free. Next, I've added a radio button to indicate membership type with the options of member or non-member. You could also set this up as a hidden field, giving members a link that automatically indicates their membership status by dynamically populating the field. And there's a link in the description down below that explains how to do that. And finally, I've added a checkbox field that allows registrants to choose whether they want to add on a sponsorship or reserve an exhibitor space or both. These three basic fields are enough for our testing purposes, but eventually you'll want to add on pricing fields as well. You can create product fields and turn on conditional logic to show the appropriate fields based on the selections that were made. You can also automate the availability of the early bird pricing option if you use the Gravity Perks conditional logic dates. You'll also want to collect details about your registrants, of course, such as their name and other demographics. Gravity Forms has a tutorial that walks you through how to create an event registration form that considers all of these options, so take a look at that link down below. Now that our form's complete, we'll want to enter some test entries so that we can test out the form and have some data to work with as we create our charts. I'd recommend at least 10 test entries so that you have a variety of data to work with. So let's go to the preview here and we'll just select some random options. Member, sponsorship, submit. And now that the registration form is created, you've collected some test entries, let's go ahead and create the charts.